Give me screaming.
No. Boom. But ooh, yeah, hit it. Dance party. Yeah.
Boom. Psh, ba-dum, boom. Welcome back to our new video.
Today we are going to be doing. What are we doing? Guess
the sound.
Guess the sound. Guess the sound. We need intro music.
We don't need intro music.
Bella.
So today we're playing Guess the Sound. We're gonna have a few items that one of us is gonna have to guess blindfolded.
One of us is gonna has.
I'm about to hit you. Explain it.
Inglés, por favor.
You explain it.
One of us is gonna have to guess the sound.
So we need a blindfold.
Blindfolded?
Yeah.
I suck.
So yeah, we're gonna do that.
Thanks. I have a pink one.
Go get it, because we're gonna need it.
Okay.
So while Bella's getting the
I'm sorry.
so while Bella's getting the pink thing, the mask, I didn't do so well in the last guessing challenge, so this time I'm gonna redeem myself. I gotta lock in. I gotta do good. You know, I'm not gonna win. I have more creative ideas than what I had last time, so we'll see who wins. Mask. Since Bella's got it on first, I think I'm gonna have her guess the sound first. So you better put it on.
Okay.
Okay, I'm having us be blindfolded because I don't trust her. I feel like she's gonna ensure I lose.
This blindfold kind of sucks. Like, it's supposed to knock out the light, but I can still see it.
So you can still see.
No. Like, I can see the light.
Okay, you ready?
No.
Don't look.
I'm not.
You're looking.
Maybe.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put it next to your ear or just anywhere. Hold on. Turn to the camera. Ready? You're gonna have to guess the sound, okay?
Yeah.
What's that?
Go.
Again?
Yeah.
I'm not good at this.
Oh, pick a ball. Oh. Ow.
It was pickleball.
It sounded like cardboard.
Cardboard.
It
I'm not
did.
good at this. Okay. She won that round. I thought for sure I'd win. Ew, it smells like Bella's room.
This is mine. This is my item that he's gonna guess. You looked.
It tickles my back.
You can't even. You can't.
I'm in the world.
It's not clicky.
Oh, the mouse.
Oh.
The mouse. That.
No!
Oh my god. So I have a back thing that whenever small noises, like erase or like
this.
whenever small things like that, or the clippers that like barbers or hair people use, it tickles the lower area of my back, and
Or when you go like this.
yeah, or wind, whatever. It tickles my back and it makes me jump like terribly. It's bad.
It's funny.
Okay.
Okay.
And it doesn't help that I took a drone class that everywhere I walked, they either go right behind my back or they'd fly near my ears and my back is spasming.
Mason brought his item and I'm gonna look. I'm gonna not look.
Yeah, don't look. Okay, you ready? You don't have to.
Oh. Right. What is that? It's the wobble ball. I felt a ball. Ew, a balloon. Ew, don't.
Guess the sound, right?
It's a balloon.
Guess the sound.
I hate you. That was scary. I heard it. I felt it. I thought it was something else.
I was having the hardest time popping that with my hands.
My turn. Put the blindfold on. Okay.
My turn with the blindfold.
This is fun.
I know. Guys, do I look good? I think so.
No. My next item.
What's that? It's your back. Ooh, the-
Mason's like,
Is it a stapler?
wait.
Ew, that's a stapler. You just like almost stapled my ears. Is it a stapler?
He went. It's a stapler.
I got it.
Yes, I'm mad. Why? It's supposed to be a good one.
Okay, Belle, here is your blindfold.
Thank you.
Oh.
Guys, I think I'm gonna do super good, super wealthy, super good, super great. I think I'm gonna do so good.
You feeling?
Feeling.
What do you think you're gonna get this next round? What do you think I'm gonna give you?
Money. Yeah! Done.
I honestly don't know what I'm gonna give her this round, but I pulled together one thing. You're like,
What?
whoa. Turn, go.
You messed it up.
I think you messed it up. Don't look.
Okay, my eyes are wide open.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. It's your water bottle, you're dinging it.
What is it?
Your water bottle.
What is it?
You're going boom with your water bottle. I'm winning.
It's not my. Why'd you just touch my stomach?
I didn't. You have ice in there. Where?
Don't touch it.
It's his water. It's the white water bottle with the black cap, and he's banging it. Who's that? It's something. Oh, why you? Refreshing.
Refreshing. Okay.
Did you hear that?
Back in the blindfold.
I'm gonna use this.
If it's the candle on the mantle, I'm
It's not. What are you talking about?
Oh, hi.
Why are you looking? Did you see?
No, I didn't see anything. I didn't even see you.
Okay.
There's like a crease right here, and it like hurts my eyes. Almost. But it's okay. We're gonna pull through it.
I'm gonna do this. Okay. He almost just smacked me in my face.
You're over here. Where are you? Oh.
Ready, guys? Ready.
I'm ready. What the freak? Ew, okay. Where are you? I have no idea what this could be. What the freak was that?
Don't look.
Did you break it? I don't. Oh, I know what that is.
No, you don't.
It. Oh no, I don't. Why are you so far away? You're like over here, back there, over here. Where are you? Okay.
Ready?
that you're hitting, what's it called? The lint roller on something. Are you hitting it on the table?
Is that your final answer?
The lint roller.
Doing what?
You're hitting it on something.
Okay, on what?
I don't know. I'm gonna say you're hitting it on a water bottle.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah. You're hitting the lint roller on each other. You're so stupid, bro.
He was biting. Bite it. Bite it. Bite it. That's not biting. Bite it.
I unfortunately did not win that round.
Yeah!
It's whatever. I think I'm winning. Anyways.
I'm winning.
How do you know that?
I'm
Okay.
win.
Dog Jeffy D is.
He's eating it. Oh, he has it.
I can't.
I don't hear anything.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. It's the microphone case.
No.
Oh. Yes, it is.
How did you put this in?
I don't know. I was gonna say AirPods and then I didn't, and then I was like, I know it's plastic.
You're plastic.
Don't.
Told everyone last video she could juggle. These two balls are Hefe's, so he thinks the third one is his.
One of them's really jagged. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Don't bring him near. Is that cool, guys?
It's not that cool.
You're
People do it all the time. Fail.
Okay, time me.
Time you? Who's timing you?
I don't know, just whoever. Guys, okay. Say a little prayer for you the moment I wake up. For a heart. That's not.
That one is it? Hefe.
These are the hard ones to juggle.
How are they so hard to juggle?
Because they're wide, so I have to like open my hand fully. Don't you dare. That's yours. Okay, you go. Your turn.
Wait,
Your turn.
my turn to juggle?
Yeah.
Ready? Figured that. Eat that one up. Is that mine?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, that was Bella juggling.
Yay! Okay. Whose turn is it?
I think it's yours.
No, I just went.
Yeah, now it's my turn.
Oh. Okay.
Oh my god.
I've been talking.
Okay, you ready?
Better.
You ready, Bill?
Are you popping your knuckles? It's a pop socket.
Bro!
My nose hurts. Your AirPods.
Nope.
Yep. Your AirPods. You're opening the case up and down. It's your AirPods.
Yes. Okay, I'm going into the blindfold now. I need my water.
Okay, guys. This is my next one. Okay? It makes a sound.
What? What? Keep doing it. What the freak? I recognize the sound. I just can't. I just don't know what it's from. In the world. What is this? Is this like the
You're peeking.
No, I didn't. I didn't peek. Ow, I pulled my eye. I want to say it's another stapler.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah, I guess. Can I peek? Oh my god, I literally used it today too.
I win.
Of course.
That was a good one.
I literally used it to light this candle. And this one. So stupid. Put the Wi-Fi button.
I agree. I'm ready.
Are you?
Yes, I am.
You ready?
Is your water bottle?
Nope.
It's not. It's your water bottle.
It's not the Wi-Fi button. Sorry.
Final answer. Oh. Well,
I win!
my turn. Put it on. Hurry, go.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Okay. Going in. The sting zone.
All right.
Okay, I'm blindfolded. I don't know what Bella's gonna give me, but I hope it's easy to guess because she just lost, and now I'm hoping she does that more often. All right? All right. What's that big?
This is mine. We got this, and it's so good, and I love it. Okay?
Summer Fridays.
No. Okay. This is my next one.
Oh, I know what this is. It's the lotion over there.
Final answer.
The coconut lotion. Final answer.
Well, I mean, you're wrong.
I win! How about the lotion, bro?
Whatever. I'm
That lotion is really good.
And I wish. Okay, wait. We gotta make it funny.
We're gonna fight? Okay.
I'm so over you.
Over me? I'm over you. My voice cracked.
I'm so done. I'm done with everything. I quit. Okay. So over you, jumps, flies over you.
What are you doing over there?
Thank you so mucho for watching.
Mucho for watching. Gracias por venir.
Hola, hola. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you for watching. Suggest other ideas down in the comments. What do you want? What else do you want to see? Let us know in the comments. Go follow our socials, which will be linked in the description. Also, look out for her new song.
It's coming out tonight. Called Chapstick. Go listen. It'll be out. It'll be out before this video.
It'll probably be out by
By the time the videos.
But as of recording, it's not out.
So go listen.
Bye.
Bye. Whoa!
Oh shoot.
Oh.
Bye.